Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Daily Commodity. So today's topic is about a popular trading instrument that allows traders to speculate on the price movement of the financial assets like gold, silver or crude oil without having to own the underlying asset themselves. So today's topic is related to CFD. How does CFD work and what are the different benefits of CFD? So let me remind you, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications and updates from Daily Commodity. So let us begin. What is contract for difference? Contract for difference are a type of a financial product that allows traders to speculate on the price movement of an underlying asset like gold, silver or oil instead of taking the physical ownership of the product. So let's talk about crude oil, for example, to compare the difference between the purchasing of crude oil and trading of the crude oil CFDs. If a trader wants to purchase crude oil and then trade it, then it will need a place to store it and a means of shipping it. In case of the trading on crude oil CFDs, the storing and the shipping cost are unnecessary because you are not actually purchasing or selling the oil itself. CFD allows you to trade in the four different financial markets that includes stock market, currency market, indices, and commodity market. If you think that the price of the underlying asset will go up in the near future, then you should purchase the CFD, and which is known as going long. And if you think that the underlying asset price will fall in the near future, then you must sell the CFD. This is known as going short. You get reward for the prediction. CFD are the difference between the current value of the asset and its value at the time of the contract. When the time period for the CFD expires, the trader gets a profit or suffers a loss depending on whether the price change they predicted comes true or not. So now let us know what are the different advantages of contract for difference. There are basically four different advantages of contract for difference, which are get profit in both rising and falling. The second is the leverage effect. The third is low transaction cost, and the fourth is flexible instrument. The first is get profit in rising and falling. As I said you earlier, you will get the reward for your prediction. If you predict right about the rising or the falling price of an underlying asset in the near future, then you will be rewarded a profit. The second is leverage effect. In case of buying stock, you have to pay the whole amount. When you buy a CFD, you don't have to pay the whole amount. So you have to pay only the margin, which is also known as trading on margin. This is known as the leverage effect. That is why the investor likes to choose CFD. You can use your capital very efficiently. The third is low transaction cost. In case of the CFD, the transaction cost is very low. You can look at the example of the crude oil. There was a difference in purchasing a crude oil and trading a crude oil in CFD. So that is low transaction cost. So the fourth benefit is flexible instrument and 24/7. CDF are flexible instrument. It allows you 24 hours trading, and it is a very fast execution. Is CDF trading safe? No, CDF trading, instead, any trading is not safe. Trading involves complex risk, that is, factors affecting the prices, movement of the asset that retail traders are unaware or that are unpredictable. Most retail CFDs loses money. Only experienced traders should consider CFD. If you like the video, please do like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.